A gas explosion tore through a Baltimore
neighborhood
neighborhood,
Monday.
killing at least one person, injuring four, and trapping children as the blast destroyed at least three homes. Look at the images. Terrible. Gas explosion destroys Baltimore homes, one dead and children trapped. That's a horrible thing. And yes, we need to keep Baltimore in our thoughts today. It's been reported a major gas explosion destroyed three homes, killing one, injuring several others. It's very sad. Dan Jones, Antonite Parish, and Isim Hamed called out to their trapped Baltimore neighbors as they dug with bare hands through the wreckage for a deadly explosion that demolished three row houses Monday. Wow. Yeah, this is terrible. I hope they will rescue these kids that are being trapped by the explosion.